एवरीवन, वेलकम टू बिगनर्स लैब। तो जैसा कि मैंने आप सभी से कहा था कि आज हम एक वीडियो लाने वाले हैं बैलेंसिंग इक्वेशन के ऊपर। बहुत से बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम होती है साइंस के एग्जाम में, वो इक्वेशन को बैलेंस नहीं कर पाते, जबकि ये मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग है जो आपको आनी ही चाहिए, क्योंकि इस चीज से रिलेटेड आपके एग्जाम में 5 से 6 नंबर के क्वेश्चंस भी आते हैं। एमसीक्यू फॉर्म में भी आ सकते हैं, आपको क्वेश्चन को बैलेंस करने को डायरेक्ट भी आ सकता है, किसी भी तरीके से पूछा जा सकता है। तो चलिए आज हम सीखेंगे हाउ टू बैलेंस अ केमिकल इक्वेशन। तो सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं एक इक्वेशन को। First we know, how do you know this equation is balanced or not? See, first we know this side is called reactant. Two metals react with each other and make a compound, and this is product, and this is product or compound. Nitrogen plus hydrogen is equal to ammonia. So first we know this equation is balanced or not. Then see, here is nitrogen 2 items, hydrogen 2 items, nitrogen 1 item, and hydrogen 3 item. So this equation is not a balanced equation. So how do you balance this equation? When both side of item is equal, this equation is balanced. So nitrogen plus hydrogen is equal to ammonia. See, here is nitrogen 2 items and here is nitrogen 1 item. So how can we balance? Here is add 2. When we add nitrogen 2, then here is nitrogen 2 and here is also nitrogen 2. Here is hydrogen 2 and here is hydrogen 3 into 2 means 6. Here is add 3. Let's count to items. Here is nitrogen item 2, hydrogen item 3 to 6, nitrogen item 2 and hydrogen item 3 to 6. So this equation is balanced equation and this equation is not a balanced equation. So I hope you understand how to balance the equation and how to find the equation is balancing or not. Then first we know rules. Number 1, understand equation is balanced or not. So number 1 rule is find out the equation is balancing or not. Second rule, first balance metals. First balance metals like aluminium, zinc, copper, gold. First balance metals like aluminium, zinc, copper, gold. Then next balance non-metals. Then balance non-metals like sulfur, phosphorus, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, bromine. These are all non-metals. And then balance hydrogen. This is also a non-metal. And then balance oxygen. Okay, so first rule is understand equation is balancing or not, and then first balance metals, then balance non-metals, and then balance hydrogen or oxygen. If you not understand which is metals, which is non-metals, then don't worry, I solve this problem also. जो स्टूडेंट्स मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन को समझ के इक्वेशन को बैलेंस करेंगे, वेल एंड गुड, बट जो स्टूडेंट्स मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स को फाइंड आउट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, उन्हें अंडरस्टैंड नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, रिकग्नाइज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, देन H2 plus O2 is equal to H2O. If you not recognize which is metal, which is non-metal, then learn first rule of balancing equation and apply it. What does first rule say? Which equation is balancing or not? So find out which equation is balanced or not, and if you find out the equation is not balanced, you can balance it simply. Then hydrogen 2 item, oxygen 2 item, hydrogen 2 item, and oxygen 1 item. This will understand. So this is not a balancing equation. So how do equation is balanced? Hydrogen 2 and oxygen 2. यहाँ पर hydrogen 2, oxygen 1, add up 2. When add here is 2, then here is hydrogen 2 into 4, and here is hydrogen only 2. Then here is at 2. So this equation is balanced. So if you learn rule number 2, which is metal, which is non-metal, hydrogen, oxygen, apply second rule. And if you not understand metals, non-metals, and everything, then find out which equation is balanced or not. If you find out if the equation is not balanced, then you can be balanced equation. H2O NaOH. So how the equation is balanced? Find out items is equal or not. Sodium 1 item, hydrogen 1 item, hydrogen 2 item, oxygen 1 item. Here is sodium 1 item, oxygen 1 item, hydrogen 1 item. Equation is balanced or not? Not. Then sodium 1 and sodium 1. This is balanced. Hydrogen 2, but hydrogen here is 1. So add 2. Oxygen here is 1. Here is oxygen also 2. When we add 2, this all is 2 multiplied with, this all is multiplied with 2. Then oxygen is also 2. Sodium is also 2. Then we add 2, 2. And now we count. Sodium 2, hydrogen 2 into 4, oxygen 2, sodium 2, oxygen 2, hydrogen also 2. This absent, then we add plus H2. So 2. Now we count. Sodium 2, hydrogen 2 into 4, oxygen 2, sodium 2, oxygen 2, hydrogen 2 and 2, 4. This equation is now balanced equation. So I think you understand how to balance the equation. First we know which equation is balanced or not. Then we apply rule number 2. First we balance metals, then non-metals, then hydrogen, then oxygen. If you not recognize this type of metals and non-metals, then we find out both sides is items is equal or not. If you understand, then you can balance any equations. Here is which is metals and non-metals. All are non-metals. Sulfur, oxygen, sulfur, oxygen. And how to find items equal or not? S 8 item, oxygen 2 item. Sulfur 8 item, oxygen 2 item. Here is sulfur 1 item and oxygen 3 item. So how do it balance? Sulfur 8, then add here is 8. तो हम ऐड करेंगे यहाँ पर 8, तो 8 sulfur, 8 sulfur. This is balanced. But 8 3 are 24 oxygen and here is 2 oxygen. So add here 12. Then we count. 12 2 are 24 oxygen, 8 3 are 24 oxygen, 8 sulfur, 8 sulfur. So now equation is balanced. 8 sulfur, 12 2 are 24 oxygen, 8 sulfur, 8 3 are 24 oxygen. So this equation is now balanced. So I think you understand how to balance the equation. So let's see some more examples. So find out equation is balanced or not. Count. Aluminium 1, Fe1, oxygen 1. Aluminium 2, oxygen 3, Fe1. So now we count both side of items. Here is aluminium 2. So add 2. Here is aluminium 2, here is 2. This is balanced. Here is oxygen 3, here is 1. So add 3. So oxygen here is 3 and here is oxygen also 3. Now this is also balanced. But here is Fe1 and here is Fe3. So add here is 3. 3 Fe, so 3A and 3A. Now here, this is also balanced. So count Al2 Fe3O3. Al2O3 Fe3. So this equation is now balanced equation. Here is this equation, and first we count items is equal or not. K1 Br1 H22 SO4 4. K2 SO4 4 H1 Br1. Then hydrogen is 2 and hydrogen is 1. 2. Add 2. Hydrogen is 2, hydrogen is 2. 2, 2. This is balanced. Br is 2, but Br is 1. So here is add 2. So Br2 and Br2. This is also balanced. K2, K2. This is balanced. SO4 4 and SO4 4. This is also balanced. I think you understand. This is the method to balance the equation. One more example. So let's see. This is the equation. First rule, equation is balancing or not. So apply rule number first, equation is balanced or not, and count items. Al1 H22 SO4 4. Then Al2 SO4 3 to the 12. H2 3 to the 6. So add 3 to the 6 H2 and here is 2 H2. So add 3. 3 to the 6 and 3 to the 6. Hydrogen is balanced. SO4. 4 3 the 12. 4 3 the 12. SO4 is now balanced. Al2 and 2 Al2. This is also balanced. So Al2 H2 6 H2 6 SO4 12 SO4 12. So this is the first formula. Now equation is balanced. This is the rule and this is the simply formula to balance any equation which is more tough and which is more easy. No matter which equation is big and which equation is short. So I think you understand all this thing which I study. N2 plus H2 NH3 Al plus H2SO4 Al2SO4 authorized plus H2. So this is homework. You should balance this equation and write down in comment section. I hope you like the video and understand all the rules which I say. And if you like the video, please like the button and do also subscribe. Till then, bye bye. Thank you. I hope your exam is fabulous, fantastic and mind-blowing. All the best for your science exam.